Good morning, everybody, and this is Euro USD setups for today. So, three rate cuts factored in, and the market responded with a fairly strong engulfing bar. Now, I think the important part for the forex market at the moment is we've been moving up on, just switched across the daily, so we're moving up, down. That's a fairly decent engulfing bar, and we kind of top a flag at the moment, but look at the crossover here on the oscillators. So then the other one that you want to pay attention to is our weekly. So you can see the moving averages have crossed over, oscillators are pointing up, and we just need to clear this last hurdle, which is the 150 EMA, which is right in around 109 184. So just switch down to the lower time frames now. Remember, you've got the weekly 150 EMA there, and look at how it plays out with structure. Very underrated moving average, the 150. And if you start drilling down through the time frames to get to structure, you'll see that level still stays in. Definitely something I would be wanting to buy off. So 109,184 is something I definitely would look at for a buying opportunity. Nice juicy gap there as well, and we're just running along the trend line at the moment. Oscillators are overbought, so actually I'm not even going to change my tune for anything. That's what I'd be waiting for. And if you just drop down to 15 minutes, that's what I'd be waiting for, is a move down to 109,184. What may actually happen though, looking at this, is we're just building a base here. So get above 109,382, come back and test it. That would be another opportunity for a long, and you can either go for a 250 point stop loss to just drop below the daily gap, or you can just drop below the current structure down here, and that would be roughly 100 points. So yeah, 260 point stop losses is fine for me. That's kind of what I'd be looking at. Just looking at the price action here, there is no gaps or anything like that. Lots of tails, lots of confusion, but that's to be expected because algorithms are trying to trade off somebody talking at a press conference, so that's kind of what you're seeing there. But yeah, that's kind of my view. I think 109,184 is definitely a very good buying opportunity. If we do fall through that, and let's say we don't respect it decently, then I'd be sitting on the sides. I don't think I'd want to get more involved in it. I suppose you could argue that with a little bit more structure lower down here as well as 109. Let's round that off, 10900, and that would also be a fairly decent area. But I think this little 109,184 is clearly what we are paying attention to at the moment. So that is our line in the sand. Okay, so I don't want to be jumping in long up here. Definitely want to be looking for a pullback. That's my first prize. If it doesn't hold, then I'll be waiting for it a little bit lower down at 10900.